Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials, the artist's aliases, likely platforms, and examples of their work. Do this because accurate targets save hours of dead-end searches. Once you have names and sample tracks or images, make accounts on 2 platforms where artists usually post. Enable messages and notifications so you catch replies fast. Prepare a 1-paragraph intro and a clear ask. This reduces back and forth. By starting with verified info and a concise pitch, you speed up contact and avoid mistaken identities. Now you perform focus searches using exact aliases and variations because artists often tweak spellings. Once you find candidates, verify them by comparing profile images, posted works, and metadata to samples you collected earlier. This prevents contacting impersonators. Then look for direct contact points, an email in the bio, a link to an official site, or a manager listed. If the only option is direct message, prepare a short, respectful message. Make sure to save screenshots or links so you can reference evidence of authenticity later. You reach out with a concise professional pitch that states who you are, the exact request, timeline, and proposed payment. This clarity speeds agreement. Once they respond, confirm rights, deliverables, deadlines, and payment terms in writing. Use email or a simple contract to avoid misunderstandings. After delivery, complete payment promptly and request any needed usage licenses. If they don't reply, follow up once after 5 to 7 days. If problems persist, document attempts and try alternate contacts like a manager or label to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.